In this lecture, we will see how to take input from user using prompt and how to convert it into integer. So first program is write a JavaScript program to add two numbers entered entered by the user. Here we are not assign any value to the variable in program. We take input from user at the time of execution of the program. This program we saw in the previous lecture also, but without prompt function. In that example, we assign value in the program itself. In this program, three variables to are used. So A and B are used for storing the two numbers, and res variable is used for storing the result of addition. Then A is equal to prompt enter first number. So enter first number message display to the user for understanding what he or she have to do. Then here 25 value entered by the user, and after pressing OK button, this 25 value store in the variable A. If user press cancel button, then it will not store. The next prompt for second value, again second enter second number. This message display to the user. User enter 24 value, and after pressing OK, this 24 value store inside the variable B. Remember that the value enter in the prompt always in a string format, so that we have to convert it into the integer using parseInt function, and in the bracket write down a variable name which store value, and that converted value assigned to the same variable, or you can take another variable. In this program, A and B same variables are used. After this parseInt function, number value stored inside the variable A and B, and then perform addition A plus B, and store it in the variable res, and using document.write statement we can display it on the web page. If you are not convert prompt value into variable, then you will get a result is 25 24, which is not the addition of 25 plus 24, cause it will be considered as a string, and here plus sign work as a concatenation operator. So that it's compulsory that if you want to do any calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on number, then it should be convert the value into number data type by using parseInt or parsefloat as per the program requirement. Now, next program is create a JavaScript program to accept an integer and display the result by multiplying with 3. Here, accept value using prompt, then same convert it into the integer using parseInt, and then write down the formula a into 3, cause this 22 value store inside the variable a, and this 22 multiply with the 3, and display result using document.write statement. You can see the output 66. 22 is the value, and this 22 value multiply with the 3 and store it in the variable b, and display result is equal to 66 by using document.write statement, because result store inside the variable b, so that here plus b you should write. Now next program, create a JavaScript program to accept radius from user and display area of circle. So for area of circle, what is the formula? Pi r square. Pi value is fixed, that is 3.14. So only value for radius we have to accept from the user using prompt. In this example, 4 radius entered by the user using prompt. Then this value convert it into the integer and store inside the same variable r. Then write down the formula 3.14 into r and the result is stored inside the variable area. We can't write r square, so that r into r you have to write. Then the result of this formula store in the area variable. So here 3.14 into 4 into 4, the result is 50.24 display on the web page using document.write statement. Now next program is, now here we have to perform operation on string so that conversion is not required. So program is create a JavaScript program to accept string from user and convert it into the uppercase. Accept string value from user by using prompt function. Here we accept our college name and then using to uppercase function convert it into the uppercase letter. str1 variable store input value. Now we have to convert value stored in str1 into uppercase, so that we have to write str1 then dot then to uppercase is the function name, means str1 value will be converted and stored in str2 variable and display to the user by using document.write function. In this example, Pace Junior Science College, Dadar, all are the combination of lowercase and uppercase. And after applying to uppercase function, output is in all in the capital letters. Same for lowercase. Only here create JavaScript program to accept string from user and convert it into the lowercase. So here only for function get change. Instead of writing to uppercase, here you have to write str1 dot to uppercase U and C always in capital, and output is all in small letters. In this way, we saw programs using prompt. We can accept random value from the user by using prompt. And if you want to perform operation on the numbers, then you have to convert it into the integer or floating point numbers by using parseInt and parseFloat function. And if you want to perform any operation on the string, then there is no any need to convert that string into any other form.